YouTubers, Abdor7 here from EnderTechBlackspot.com. Right now doing a review on AOKP, Jelly Bean AOKP. Yes, that's right, Jelly Bean AOKP for your Galaxy S2 Skyrocket. This is what it looks like, Galaxy S2 Skyrocket. Let's go ahead and get started. If you don't know how to flash, go ahead and click the link somewhere right here or in the description or on the side to see my video on how to flash Jelly Bean AOKP. Now you're going to go ahead and press start. Welcome. Just a sec, I don't have data, so I don't know what it's doing right now. This is Android 4.1. I'm gonna come back when it's done doing this. I didn't do anything. After I stopped videoing, it just gave me the steps, so I'm gonna hit skip. I'm gonna select my Wi-Fi, put in password, connect. Yep, my Wi-Fi is working. Now it's gonna ask me if I have Gmail. Yes, I do, but I do not want to put it in right now. Not right. Current time. I'm in Central. Finish. You are gonna be presented with two launchers. One of them is just launcher, another one is Nova launcher. So if I click launcher just for once to show you, this is what your launcher is going to look like. It's going to give you a hint. Press OK. Press that and you will be right here. And hold on. And this is what you are going to see. These are the apps. Press back. This is just your regular ICS launcher. Press home button and you'll be presented with choice again, and I'm gonna choose Nova launcher and I'm gonna choose always. And this is your Nova launcher. Same look, but has a lot of different setting under your Nova setting. You can select desktop grid, width margin, height margin, that search bar, style. 4.1 is this. Oh, home screen. That's good. App drawer, background transparency, scroll effect, Here you'll see options. Cube card, you can pick whichever one you like. Background transparency, drawer style, horizontal, vertical, widgets in drawer, yes. Drawer group, folders, hide apps. Only pay one has the feature. Look and feel, color, icon, theme. You got all these different options. Then dock, enable dock. So in Nova Launcher you get all these options. You can explore everything. Look and feel, we checked it. Cashier button. This is when you buy the premium. Backup, and yeah. Now let's go ahead and go to system setting, about phone. Baseband, aka my radio says UCLE2 because I haven't flashed radio in a long time. Build number 03H, I don't know why it says that. AOKP version, Skyrocket JB build 1. Using Cyanogen Chronal 4.1.1 Android. Android Jelly Bean. Happy. Alright, let's go ahead and go to ROM control. About AOKP. AOKP website, AOKP source, AOKP core, join AOKP team. So these are the AOKP members, queues, 6 strings, Zoomdeo, Adam Cashew, Just Reboot, Cashmac, Steve Spears 426, Zephyr Bubble, Vibe, I don't know, Birdman, Protect, Nitros, White Hawks, Roman BB, and Mark Landis. General UI. Here is what AOKP is famous for, the ROM control. It can show you notification count. It does 180 rotation right there. Kind of looks funky, so I'm gonna make it turn it back around. Turn that off. You can disable boot animation, custom boot animation. You have to put in media, it says. Choose notification background. You can make that notification background alpha. Custom career label. APPDROID 7. Right here you see, and that's your status bar and all the icons. This I disable it because I don't want it to use my data from my AT&T, because I do have unlimited data plan, but they kept it at 5 GB, even though I don't have SIM card in that phone. Enable kill all button. Grant. Hold back to kill. Killed everything, you see that? Then we are going to go in lock screen options. Choose your lock screen wallpaper. So you can do that. Then lock screen text, battery percentage, menu unlock, await to lock screen, volume awake. This is good. Long press will skip. Lock screen target amounts. Yes, 4. This is unique. There you can select whichever you want. Google. Okay. No, it already has Google. I'm gonna replace that. There you go. You can have more. Just press save. It's saved. And let's go ahead and check out Jelly Bean lock screen. Before I forget that, as you can see, the camera works. Let's take a picture of something. So camera is working. And so is the movie or video recording. So camera is in good condition. Let's go back to lock screen. So as we were, lock screen target, quick pin. If you want weather, you can do that. Upcoming event for your calendar, that's available too. Power management, menu, so screenshot, navigation bar toggle, so you can have that in power menu, extended power menu. Let's go to navigation bar. This is what enables navigation bar. There you have all the options. I really don't use it, so because you have soft screens, that feature is for Nexus. If you don't know, batteries, icon style, I always like that. No, that 35% battery bar, you can have that. Battery bar style, color, then clock, you can have it right center. This is what I like. And day of the week, toggles, what kind do you want? Like this way, so it stays like that. Abdurrahman, my name, hell yeah, thank you, OKP. Alright, so enable, so you can here choose whatever toggles you want. If you do tethering a lot, torch, that's most. Then toggle order, swagger all the way on top. Swagger is must, and you have to have it on when you're running AOKP. Then the colors, transparency. You got so much different things you can do. As you can see, text, colors, hide signal bars, LED. I don't know if it supports here, but we do have LED here, but it never supported. Now sound, here enable volume panel, different options for sound. This is the longest AOKP review I ever did. Weather, performance tool, that's for your kernel, that's aka your set CPU or whatever custom CPU app you use. This is built in, you don't have to use it. Voltage setting, other setting, and that's in all about ROM control. Theme manager, you can download different themes and get that. Device options, here is your screen options, and that is review of your AOKP running all great. Oh, let's check out Google now, last but not least. Lakers Hell yeah, Lakers. Even though Dwight Howard is not playing in the first game, Lakers still gonna be dominating. Hope they wins the title. But this is it. I'll see you guys in the next videos. Make sure to go ahead and techblacksweat.com. Check that out. Subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.